Yeah.
Second statement. The very rich and big corporations should pay higher taxes to fund public services.
Yes. 10.
10. Oh, strongly agree. Okay. Why?
Yes. I think that billionaires exist, extremely rich people exist because they live in a community where they will not be immediately murdered and all their money stolen. They should be paying back.
Okay, fair, fair, fair. That's a very nice, succinct answer. Number four, generally, the freer the market, the fairer the outcomes.
This is bullshit. I disagree. 10 on 10 disagree.
Okay, why? Tell me.
So, this free market concept comes from a toy model that economists use. A free market has a couple of fundamentals, right? You have free entry and exit,
Yeah,
you have lots of buyers and sellers,
yeah.
and you don't need to regulate it because people will simply vote with their feet. If they don't like a product, they will buy something else.
Ceteris paribus.
Yes.
Aha.
But imagine such a market. It is not possible to imagine such a market. Free markets cannot exist as long as, say, geography exists. Your grocery shop cannot exist in a free market because you are not going to go and buy groceries from somewhere else because transaction costs exist. As long as transaction costs exist, there will be local monopolies. Free market, and this thing is an illusion that capitalists use to lobby for policy that is going to benefit them because they know that they can accumulate enough power to overcome these smaller local monopolies. So
Interesting.
regulated markets are important because market failures are very natural. Free
But should
markets don't exist.
but should all of it be regulated? All.
I think as long as something is important, it should be regulated. You don't want your medicine to be half chalk.
Sure, sure. Interesting. But then, like, not all, no? Like, I mean, some of it you can let go.
I mean, what can you let go?
For
What are you
example,
happy to be spurious?
let's say the entertainment industry. I mean, it is a part of the
Yeah.
market. How much
Are you
regulation does the
happy for the
government have?
entertainment industry? Are you happy for the entertainment industry to make snuff porn?
No, but see, that's the thing. Like, there are like that's why I kept it as a gradient. No, like I mean, if I
Yeah.
completely agreed with that, then it should be like 100%. So you make whatever you want. But then, like,
Yeah. I think people should be, I think things should be subject to reasonable regulations in all fields. I
interesting.
think everything should be regulated, but reasonably regulated.
Okay,
I don't want the censor board telling me that I can't show someone smoking on the screen,
fair, fair.
but I do want the censor board preventing me from seeing snuff porn.
Sure, sure. Okay, interesting, interesting. But you are like 100% strongly disagree with this.
Yes.
Okay, fair.
Yes.
Number five, some key sectors like healthcare, energy, or transport should be publicly controlled.
I think public transport should be publicly controlled. I think health should be publicly controlled. And what was the third one?
Energy.
Yes, energy should be publicly controlled because these have very high entry costs. So if they are not publicly controlled, private companies have very high incentives to squeeze profits out and squeeze very high profit margins out. So they have no incentive to actually provide the kind of public service that creates a floor of living standards for people.
Okay.
So if you want a prosperous society, you can't have these privately controlled.
Fair. So on the agree scale, where are you?
10.
Oh, 10. Ekdam. Full, na?
Yeah.
100%. I like this.
Yeah. I have no middle ground.
No middle ground. Okay.